Are you ready to start investing in the stock market, but don't know where to begin? Don't worry. In this video, I'll break down the basics of investing, step by step, so you can start building wealth today. What is the stock market? The stock market is where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. Capital appreciation. If the stock price goes up, you can sell it for a profit. Dividends. Some companies share their profits with investors. Step-by-step guide to investing for beginners. Open a brokerage account. Use platforms like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or Fidelity. Show platform logos. Set an investment goal. Are you investing for retirement, wealth building, or passive income? Start with index funds. Low-risk funds like S&P 500 ETFs are great for beginners. Avoid common mistakes. Don't panic sell during market dips. That's it. Investing isn't complicated if you start with the right mindset. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more stock market tips.